This is our liquid tight conduit, and we have black color and gray color. Now I will take it as an example. And this is a liquid tight conduit connector straight. Now I will introduce its fittings for you. It has about 4 fittings. This one can connect with the conduit like this. And this is insulating washing, and it can protect yourself. And this is lock nut. And now I will show you how to fix it like this. Okay. And I will show you the one example, and we have finished like this.